Good morning. Thank you for tuning in to your daily operations weather brief for Wednesday, November 6th. Seeing some mostly sunny skies out there and cooler temperatures as high pressure builds into the area. We're going to see northerly winds this morning, and then winds are going to slowly become light and variable as we go towards the evening hours, and seeing some chilly temperatures tonight as we get that high pressure overhead. Take a look at our surface analysis. There's that large area of high pressure starting to build in. It will continue to move eastward as we go throughout the day today, getting some of that northerly flow on the eastern fringes of it as it builds in, and then we're currently seeing northerly winds around 7 to 12 knots. That'll continue into the midday hours and early afternoon, then weakening as we go closer to sunset, becoming light and variable overnight and into the early morning hours of tomorrow. Expecting a low tomorrow around 40 degrees, so it's going to be a little bit chilly out there, but not quite as cold as we have seen a couple of mornings the past week or two. As of 8 a.m., just seeing a few clouds at 8,500 feet, few at 25,000. Winds are from the north at 7 knots, temperature of 47 degrees, humidity of 70%. Taking a quick look at our satellite loop, we have mostly sunny skies pretty much across the entire mid-Atlantic region. Even some of that few cloudiness that we have is starting to dissipate, so it does look like we'll have a good chance of seeing completely clear skies at points throughout the day today as high pressure builds in, and then those clear skies should continue into the evening hours. Then we'll start to see some more serious cloudiness build in as we go after midnight tonight. Going to be seeing a high of 58 degrees today with skies becoming sunny. Going to be seeing those winds continue northerly at 7 to 12 knots this morning into the early afternoon, then shifting a little northeasterly as they begin to weaken as that high pressure builds in, becoming light and variable overnight. And then as we get into the mid-morning hours of tomorrow, we'll see those winds become south-southwesterly around 3 to 8 knots as that high pressure center shifts to the east of the Delmarva. And we'll see that low tomorrow morning in the lower 40s. Taking a look at our terminal forecast for today, going to be seeing that cloudiness near 8,500 feet dissipate. There is only a very little bit as of 8 a.m., then becoming a few at 25,000 in late morning hours, and should be pretty much clear skies for the afternoon until we get into the midnight hour, and then we'll start to see a little bit of mid-level cloudiness and upper-level cloudiness start to creep in, and then by the sunset Thursday, just seeing a few clouds near 2,500 feet scattered at 12,000 and broken at 25,000. For tomorrow, going to be looking at partly cloudy skies early. Then we're going to be having a front start to approach the area late in the day Thursday. And that southwesterly flow ahead of that front will bump up our temperatures to around 66 degrees and also increase our cloudiness as we get towards the end of the day and into the evening. Thursday night, that looks like when we're going to see that front impact the area with some rain showers. Also going to be ramping those winds up with that frontal passage. Looks like the best chance for seeing some rain Thursday night is going to be between about 9 p.m. and 4 a.m. So it looks like it's just going to be strictly in the overnight hours of Thursday. It's also going to be chilly. We're going to see those temperatures drop as we go after that frontal passage. So those temperatures will be dropping as we go into the pre-dawn hours of Friday, and perhaps still dropping as we go into the mid-morning hours of Friday as well. Friday going to be much cooler behind that cold front. It's going to be going to see some gustier winds as that pressure gradient remains tight as some cold high pressure builds in. It does look like those winds will be relaxing as we get towards the afternoon on Friday, but looking at a very cold high Friday of only 46 degrees. That'll do it for your daily operations weather brief. We'll be back at 10 a.m. for your full weather briefing and extended outlook. Have a great day.